Welcome everyone to another Goodwin English Grammar lesson. My name is Randy League and I'm your teacher. Today we are going to take a look at the past tense form. Today, we are going to study the past tense. This grammar is used to talk about things that happened in the past. Maybe they happened yesterday, or last week, last year, or when you were 10 years old. Anytime in the past. Before we start, we publish new videos almost every day. So be sure to subscribe to our channel and ring the bell to learn about our latest videos. Also, if my English is difficult for you, turn on the English subtitles and it may help you understand a little more. First, let's take a look at some example sentences. I watched TV yesterday. I ate sushi last night. I did the laundry last week. Next, let's take a look at some other grammatical forms and see how they compare with the past tense. I will play baseball tomorrow. This is the future tense. It is used to talk about the future. I am playing baseball now. This is the present continuous tense. It is used to talk about now, or actions that are happening now. I played baseball yesterday. Here we have the past tense. This is used to talk about actions or events in the past. Let's take a look at how to make sentences using the past tense. Let's look at how to use the simple past form in sentences. We used simple past form to talk about an event or an action that happened in the past. For example, I ate sushi yesterday. I went to Paris last week. I walked to school with my friend. It is very easy to make these sentences. Just add the past tense form of the verb to the sentence. In our examples, we can see that the past tense of eat is ate, go is went, and walk is walked. The first thing we need to know is how to change the verbs to make a past tense sentence. Let's take a look at a few different verbs. Here we have 5 basic verbs that we often use in conversations. We have listen, walk, study, eat, and go. There are basically 3 different types of past form verbs. The first 2 are very easy to remember, and the last one is a little difficult. Let's take a look at the first type of past form verb. Some verbs are very easy to change into past form. With these verbs, we add ed to the end of the verb. For example, Listen, listened. Walk, walked. Here are some more verbs like this. Work, worked. Clean, cleaned. Start, started. Dance, danced. Need, needed. Some other verbs are also easy, but a little different. Some verbs that end with the letter Y, like study or cry, we will change the letter Y with the letters IED. For example, study, studied. Cry, cried. Here are some more verbs like this. Copy, copied. Try, tried. There are some verbs that end in Y where we only add ed. For example, stay, stayed. Enjoy, enjoyed. Verbs that end in AY, EY, OY, UY don't change the Y to IED. The last type can be a little more difficult. This is because there really are no rules that you can remember to help you change these verbs. These verbs are called irregular verbs. Irregular means not regular or special. Verbs like eat and go are irregular verbs. We do not add ed to these types of verbs. With irregular verbs, there really aren't any easy rules to remember. So we have to remember the past tense of each one. We have to memorize the past tense of the irregular verb. Let's take a look at the past tense of a couple verbs. Eat, ate. Go, went. Here are some more verbs like this. Begin, began. Bring, brought. Buy, bought. Give, gave. Make, made. Let's take a look at some negative sentences. Remember, negative sentences are sentences that have the word not in them. I didn't eat sushi yesterday. I didn't go to Paris last week. I didn't walk to school with my friend. If you look at the sentences and if you look at the verbs, you can see that we are not using the past tense form. We use did not plus a verb. This is important to remember. I didn't eat sushi yesterday is wrong. The correct form is I didn't eat sushi yesterday. Let's take a look at how we can make some questions using the simple past form. Some of you might remember in previous lessons, I told you that there are two basic types of questions. There are yes/no questions, and there are information questions. Yes/no questions are questions that can be answered with yes or no. And information questions are questions that can be answered with information. It is a question that starts with a question word like what, who, when, where, how, why. Let's take a look at how to make some yes/no questions with the past form tense. Did you eat sushi yesterday? Did you go to Paris last week? Did you walk to school with your friend? Here, you can see that our yes/no questions start with the word did. Then we have the normal form of the verb. Again, with questions, we do not use the past form of the verb. Use the normal form. So, did you eat sushi yesterday is correct. Did you ate sushi yesterday is wrong. Let's look at how we can answer these questions. Did you eat sushi yesterday? Yes, I did. No, I didn't. Did you go to Paris last week? Yes, I did. No, I didn't. Did you walk to school with your friend? Yes, I did. No, I didn't. So, as you can see, we can use yes, I did or no, I didn't to answer these yes/no questions. Now, let's take a look at how to make information questions. What did you eat yesterday? Where did you go last week? Who did you go to school with? With these information questions, the first word is a question word. Then we have the normal form of the verb. Again, we do not use the simple past form of the verb with questions. So, what did you eat yesterday is correct. What did you ate yesterday is wrong. Now, let's take a look at how we can answer some of these questions. We can answer these information questions with basic, simple past tense sentences. For example, what did you eat yesterday? Can be answered with I ate sushi yesterday. Where did you go last week? Can be answered with, I went to Paris last week. And who did you go to school with? Can be answered with, I went to school with my friend. Okay guys, that's it for today's lesson. Don't forget that we have a part 2 to this lesson. Part 2 has a lot of practice and exercises that will help you use what you learned today. Thank you for watching. I hope you learned a lot. And don't forget to push the like button. And if you want to see more videos like this, please subscribe to our channel. I'm Randy League, and I will see you next time.